Good afternoon, YouTube family and friends. Thank you so much for tuning in to another Big Poppa video. First off, I want to say thank you to Jesus Christ for being my Lord and Savior. And I also want to say thank you to each and every one of you loyal subscribers. Thank y'all so much. We're growing the channel. The channel is up to a little over 100 followers and subscribers. Continue to share the video with family and friends so we can continue to grow. I want to thank y'all so much for being here with me on this journey. Today I have my home defense pistol. And let me talk a little bit about home defense. And any gun that you have. The guns that you have, at least for me, are I have a few pistols and rifles and things like that. Okay, not to my own horn, but I have a few. I just want to come on here to make sure that you guys have your home defense pistol, because nowadays people are breaking in people's homes while they're still there. No more you have that burglar that waiting to people that are away from home. They breaking in your house while you in there watching TV with your loved ones. So it's important that you have a home defense pistol. I happen to have a couple. I have a PCC, and I also have this gun that I'm going to show you today. Now, you guys probably have already seen this gun, because I did like an initial video with the gun that I have that I'm going to show you today. But just make sure that all your guns you have has a specific role, that you have some range toys, some for home defense, you have some for concealed carry. But you know, training is key. You must make sure you train with everything that you have. But you know, you have those ones that are really dedicated for a purpose. And I think all of them should be dedicated for a purpose. Just so happen, mine is the Glock 47. Now, like I said, you guys have seen this gun before, but you hadn't seen it with everything on here. Now it's ready to completely go into my rotation of home defense weapons. This is the Glock 47. Now, the Glock 47 has been discontinued by Glock. And I don't know the reason why, but it has been discontinued. This is the one that they kind of made for the Border Patrol, so that they could have a sidearm that they could use that was good. This particular one here, the 47, has the 19 guide rod, so it's a pretty unique weapon. Plus, you can take this gun here and you can put a 19 slide on it, and you'll have another gun, another configuration. So that's why I like it. They have a 17, and the 17 discontinued, and they bought it back. I'm going to get a 17, and people probably say, well, Big Poppa, you got a 47, and they claim it's about the same, but it's not a 17. So I want a 17. I'm going to add that to the arsenal that I have. Let me go over the different things I have on here. First up, I have this TLR1HX light on the front. Now, this particular light here is a good light. And I've always said, I don't like lights that got past my barrel, but this is a home defense pistol, okay? And I run the rechargeable batteries in here because it tends to make the light shine a little bit better, gives you more candela. This particular light here takes 2. And another thing about this light that I like, but first of all, let me check it and make sure that it's empty. I know it's empty. I just want to make sure YouTube and everyone out there, for this, he's being unsafe with his pistols. Big Poppa's not unsafe. I do have a magazine because this is my home pistol, but I have it off to the side, so it's not in this plane right here while I'm talking about the gun. So we established that it is empty. I have that light on here, and the unique thing about this particular light here is it has the little toggle switches on the side right here. On the bottom. Matter of fact, I got it where I can have this side here as my support side hand, and this side I can activate with my finger. Okay, it points really, really well. Boom. I can use my finger here to push down. Okay, and I also can use my support hand to use it that way too. So I like the light. I like the way it functions. So that's that. Also on this particular pistol, I have some suppressor height sights on here, front and rear. Okay, they're blacked out. It's blacked out. And the front here, I have some fluorescent paint. It's not tritium, but it's good enough at night. You shine a little light on this fluorescent and it'll light up. Okay. Also on here, I have the medium back strap. Look, that back strap. So that back strap, you know, I tend to grip high, and I want to make sure that I don't get that slide back. Okay. This happened 1 or 2 times. It's not something that happens all the time. Also, I did an unboxing of the CV Life, and this CV Life is nice. I've shot with it. It picks up really, really well. Boom. Really, really well. I like it. Some people talk about CV Life being, you know, cheap, this, budget, this, that, and other. But listen, you know your own pockets, okay? Don't listen to all this foolishness people have. Now, you do have some crappy ones out there, but CV Life is jam up. Here you see CV Life. Real good optic. Okay. Let's see what else. That's pretty much it on my home defense pistol. And like I said, get your home defense pistol, PCC, or whatever you want to have. I have concealed carry pistols, and a lot of people say, well, why don't you just use your concealed carry as your home defense pistol? That's cool. That's cool. But, you know, I have enough guns that I can, you know, delegate which job they take on. Like I said, you want to get you something that you can protect your family. So if something go bumping at night, I can jump up and grab my pistol. Now, I don't have any kids at home, but I am able to get to this pretty fast, because if something goes bumping at night, I can protect my home, myself, and little mama, okay, when she needs protecting at home, right? She has her own gun, but Big Poppa had this one right here too, along with the other PCC. But like I said, I just want to come on in and show y'all the upgrades and show you what I've done to it. And now it's going to go into the rotation. I've shot it, like I said before, and it shoots really, really well. That optic picks up things really, really well. And you want to get you a good optic and a good light when you're talking about home defense. So thank you so much again for taking out your time for the day. I know you probably had a hard day at work, and I pray that it was a good day. But thank you so much for tuning in to another Big Poppa production. Remember this, Jesus is Lord, and I love you. See you in the next video.